At the first student games of China ongoing in Nanning, South China's Guangxi, young riders from the BMX team of Guizhou province made their first appearance at a national level competition. Their head coach Frédéric, once a professional rider from France, came to China 8 years ago. Passionate about bicycle motocross, he's determined to promote the sport to more Chinese youngsters.
Guizhou have a lot of good mountains and different mountains, and also a very good climate. Not too cold in the winter, not too hot in the summer. So this is really a paradise for extreme sports and for outdoor sports. We selected 10 athletes to make them become BMX riders. I am very surprised how they increase their skills so quickly. So I am very optimistic for the future. They work hard, all of them, to increase their skills and to become competitive in time. Yeah, what is interesting in the team, we try to also make them help each other. We don't put them in competition to each other. We try to create a symbiosis between the riders to make them all increase their skills together.
老法教我了跳跃，在那边做动作的时候就感觉风在耳边呼呼呼的吹，感觉自己很帅吧，然后实力也有很大的提升。
Guizhou boasts rich mountain tourism resources, with more than 90% of its areas covered by mountains and hills. Mo hopes that he can contribute to building Guizhou into a well-known sports tourism resort, and more young people in China will be attracted to outdoor sports.